Hello everyone. Good evening and welcome back to my channel. As usual, this is BestBless Kitchen. You're welcome. Today we are going to make a very beautiful way of making a mayonnaise which everyone would like to give a try. Most of the times we don't have good quality mayonnaise in mayo in the supermarket, and we prefer to make it in our own homes. Okay, being a mother of many children is very hard to spend. Most of the times you find out you want to make a salad in the house and you cannot find that you find out that you don't have mayonnaise in the house. You have oil, you have salt, you have lemon, you have egg, and I will be adding paprika, and I will be adding this is condensed milk. Okay, if you have a milk that is getting ready to expire, you can turn it to condensed milk. Okay, maybe you cannot consume it in a you cannot consume it very fast. You can bring it to condensed milk. Okay, that is the purpose of this condensed milk. In this area I have my salt. I will be adding salt in this recipe. In this area I have my oil. Okay, I have pepper here. This is a blended hot pepper. I have my lemon here. I'll be using lemon juice and lemon zest also. In this area I have my 2 eggs. Okay, and I have my spoon to measure my condensed milk, and I have a jar that I will into. Okay, and I have the measuring cup to measure the quantity of the oil I'm going to use. This oil is sunflower oil, but for a healthier mayonnaise you can go for almond oil. Okay, or granite oil from the granite, or sesame oil is also very good oil. I'll use lemon juice also, but let me just, I've washed the lemon. Okay, I will set this lemon zest aside. Okay, at this point add 2 cups of sunflower oil, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper. For the blending, add your lemon juice and lemon zest and blend it, because I missed that part because of my babies. We are crying. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, help me to share the video and leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching BestBless Kitchen, and God bless you. Okay, bye bye.